Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And today in this video, we are doing an update on this 2021 Grand Design Solitude. This unit came into the shop to just do something simple like a wool bearing pack. And during the inspection, my guys found that the unit actually had 3 cracks in the frame near the axle locations. So we ended up contacting the customer, let them know what we found. We submitted an estimate and pictures for LCI warranty. After that, everything eventually ended up getting approved. We were able to contact the customer back and have them return so that we could go ahead and do the repairs. So I wanted to go ahead and give you a little brief explanation of what we did. After getting the unit, lifted up in the air, removing the tires, we ended up having to drill holes in the end of the cracks. That's to stop the cracks from continuing. Then we grinded out the areas of concern, went ahead and welded them on both sides, grinded them down smooth. Then we ended up adding the reinforcement angle bracket. That angle bracket ended up getting welding all the way around the perimeter of where it was secured to. Once that was completed, we ended up painting it as well. Then another thing that Lippert requested that we did was to install a angled cross support shaft, and so you'll see where we added that as well. That is to help kind of keep everything from flexing and moving. Lastly, you're going to see that the owner originally was equipped with the Ride CRE 3000. We ended up removing that and did an upgrade to what we feel is one of the best suspension kits out on the market. We installed the Roadmaster Comfort Ride system, and we'll link that video, so please check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching.